Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete an email account on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. This is the domain name I use to create my Hostinger email accounts. Now, next to it, click on mailboxes. Here you will see a list of the email the Hostinger email accounts that you have under this domain name. And to delete an email address, simply click on these three dots and select delete. You will see this window. You are about to delete mailbox of the selected address. Also, you will delete email data permanently. Click on delete. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Mailbox deleted, and this is how to delete an email account in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.